the world we live in today, we all exchange more and more information across every platform. We still need to print this information for better communications. We have the solutions to help you produce documents in color, manufacturing high-quality toners and components. We can save your business 40 to 70% compared to OEM and third-party printing supplies. Our line of premier imaging supplies, specifically designed to work with the most popular printer brands, ensuring our products would meet or exceed your expectation right out of the box. With the right equipment and the right technology, we have been constantly imagining, learning, and progressing since 1993. Our line of toners is manufactured using sophisticated manufacturing facilities. With 3 different high-technology factories with an indoor space of 200,000 square feet, we are annually producing 8,000 metric ton of toners, distributing them in more than 100 countries with hubs in UK and China. Our highly trained and skilled workforce operates the most advanced machineries and performs meticulous testing procedures at each stage of production. Through rigorous research and development, we have always answered each and every challenge in addressing our customers' needs. As the country's leading imaging technology company, we are committed to the production of high-quality toners, toners that you can rely on, toners that comply strictly with international standards. Just to meet your standards with monochrome laser toners, color laser toners, copier toners. Our technologically advanced manufacturing process guarantees superior products. All of our cartridges come with a 100% performance guarantee. Our imaging supplies are designed to produce crisp professional printed pages every time. Our highly automated and fully controlled manufacturing process ensures that toners and cartridges are filled with precise amount of toner, ensuring our cartridges meet latest national ISO standard. We make millions of lives better with our e-commerce platform. Our e-commerce platform is easy and accessible to the world. JadiToner.com, an online platform selling laser cartridges and copier cartridges for a wide range of brands. We manufacture toners that you can trust. Innovation to surpass expectation. Quality bolstered by service. Customer satisfaction in every decision. Always forging ahead. As the world-class toner manufacturer, we are Jadi Imaging Technologies.